Today, you and I get to talk about how to embed Google Maps inside your Smartsheet dashboard. This is how to embed a Google Maps directly on your Smartsheet dashboard. First, you're going to go to Google Maps. Then you're going to put in whatever location you want to show up on your dashboard. You're going to do it in the search area. Then, after you have your location set, you're going to go ahead and click down on the Share button. When that panel appears, you're going to choose the second option, which is called Embed a Map. Then, you're going to go ahead and click on Copy HTML. Then, let's go back to your Smartsheet dashboard. Let's go ahead and go into the edit mode. So click edit and then edit again. And you're going to find the web content widget. Go ahead and click that. Then on the right, a panel is going to appear. Go ahead and paste in what you just copied from the copy HTML. Click save and then click OK. Go ahead and refresh your dashboard. Now your Google Maps is on your dashboard. And if you click and drag and move stuff around, and then you click refresh on that browser, the dashboard is always going to reset the map to the location that you originally set. If this video has been helpful to you so far, I actually have a full-length training video solely on Smartsheet dashboards. I cover dashboards from end to end. And more importantly, I also cover the top 3 keys to make your dashboard stand out from the rest. This recording was a recording I did off a live Smartsheet dashboard training video that I did on a live webinar. It is yours 100% free. If you're ready to take your dashboard to the next level and you really want to up your game, this is your video. This is the video you've been looking for. It's 100% free. Just click on the link below and it's yours.